Hello everyone, this is Justin Minhars. I'm
Hello.
sharing with you
Hello.
my final project. My plan is to create a campus-wide fitness program with a twofold missions, which are: one, to meet the needs of a large and diverse student, staff, and faculty, and number two, to provide a healthy environment in which students can develop the physical, mental, emotional, and social skills necessary for success through participation and employment in the program. Needs assessment. Number one, organize a planning committee to see if there is a need for a campus-wide fitness program. Number two, know the demographics to include age, nationality, religion, race, and gender. Number three, figure out the cost of the project, where it will come from. Proponents and opponents want to know the amount of money is spent on the project. Feasibility study. There are factors to be considered in the feasibility study: the general industry conditions, the recommended facility size and scope, number of employees who will be needed to operate the facility, the development costs, the operating costs for the first 5 years, the projected revenues for the first 5 years, how the facility will affect the total community, components of the local community that will be positively and negatively the facility, the main facility users, and what additional users the facility could attract, data that can help the facility obtain necessary financing, and specific indications of what data were not obtained and why they were not obtained so the study can be qualified. The next step is for the committee to develop a site mission statement. The goal is to purchase a facility within half a mile of the major freeway and close enough to the campus. The site objective is to purchase a site with more than 3 acres for less than $1 million. Driving around the area will be a good idea, and contacting the assessor's office to find out the assessed value, and contacting property owners to see if they are interested in selling. SWOT analysis. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats are areas that have some control over and can change. Some examples include the team members, patents and intellectual property, and location. Opportunities and threats are external, which are things that are going on outside the company. When doing SWOT analysis, there should be a strategy for prioritizing the work that needs to grow the business. Sometimes we think that we know everything in order to succeed, but SWOT analysis will force to look at the business in new ways and form new directions. Right here is a cost and green facility plan. The following will be considered to determine the final project costs: land, $1 million; architectural design, $500,000; construction materials, $1 million; legal fees, $200,000; engineering and labor, $2 million; insurance, $400,000; equipment rentals, $200,000; miscellaneous expenses, $1 million; a total expense of $6.3 million. Conclusion and analysis. Post-even surveys must be conducted to evaluate if all the strategies work. Were employees successful at their assigned tasks? Did the marketing campaign bring enough sponsors or ticket sales? And did security personnel and ushers stay until all the patrons left?